Hey, it's Danny with your latest tech update. Keeping your computer fully updated can be a pain, but the security benefits are huge. When your software and operating system are always up to date, you are stopping cyber criminals from using recently discovered vulnerabilities against you. If your business has lots of devices that aren't up to date, maybe your staff are too used to hitting the later button when they get the pop-up notifications. Or maybe it's to do with how long your device is connected to the internet. Microsoft recently revealed that to update Windows properly, your PC must be connected to the internet for 6 hours, 2 of them consecutive. This allows time for a full download and background software installations that can only happen while your machine is online. Seems like a long time, doesn't it? There's an easy answer, of course. Encourage your team to leave their PC switched on and online overnight to allow downloads to fully install. If you need help checking that your devices are up to date, just give us a call. That's your tech update. More next week.